Gonna go for Pika a little bit. This is just a mini review here for Pika. Pika is known as a meme social media AI platform that it is very handy for if you want some template and you don't have a lot of skill in AI video prompting, or you can't be bothered with, and you just want to do these tricks, right? And template is kind of good even if you know prompting, because these kind of specialized meme thing, it's very hard to do if the platform doesn't have the data for it. A lot of platform like video or Pixverse, they have their own equivalent of templates. Yeah, it's just a subgenre that everybody is using, because yeah, it's easy to engage with. You can do a little special effects. Hicksfield has a lot too, but Hicksfield is it is widely known as a scam kind of company. It's not trustworthy. Pika is alright. You're not getting a lot of complaint with Pika. Their creative partner program, the creative partner have been happy with them. So there's no big no controversy surrounding them, and they released 2.5 not long ago. I was still using 2.2 a while back. It was quite economical. Even for $10, I could generate all these clips. Just to give you rough understanding. It's just roughly here. Let me briefly go for Pika, and we can get out of 2 months of basic plan here. Here at the bottom of the basic plan start, and then here's at the top of 2 months of basic plan, and the mid range where 1 month ended, the other month begins around here. So you get around like 35 clips here, 40 clips I think. For the Pika 2.2 was a very economical model, but like all economical model, there's limitation. I started to realize that you could not overwork the camera. It started to blur and things like this. And I noticed that for the Pika 2.2 model anyway, you don't want to go lower than 1080p, because if you go 720p, this is not a platform where the 720p is giving you good enough resolution for production. I tried the lower option to just save on cost or on credit, right? And I realized it's not workable. I settled on the 1080p and wasn't sorry about it. One of the best clips that I did for Pika was this one. And I tried to replicate this scene with Minimax, a professional storyteller platform, and it could not do this one better at this broad time, because clearly the template was tailored, designed to do these things. And this is one of the winning hand of Pika, where it's known for meme, and it does it very well. Yeah, if you have a storage trick and you like these kind of bullet time, you could do it here. I could not find anyone else that can do this specific scene here as good. And then 5 months ago, they were still doing the thing where even if you pay $10, right, you still get watermarks. For some reason, they're like, no, you weren't paying enough. We want you to pay for $35 for the full no watermark version. And it wasn't industry standard. Like nobody else was doing it. And I didn't catch it. I was like, if I caught it, I might not have bought it. But then yeah, I just paid the $10 basic, and the watermark will not leave too. It's like it's permanent on there. Like even now, right? If I pay them another month, it will not disappear. That's what it is. So yeah, I'm not too upset about it, but it's just that you want these AI platform to succeed, and you don't want them to do too many strange things that edging themselves out, right? Because they're doing something unique. It's kind of fun for as an AI artist to have, and you want every platform to be thriving. So as a consumer, you have more of a competition ecosystem, right, to make your choices. Yeah, I'm glad they're not doing these kind of business strategy anymore that nobody else was doing. All the companies will refuse to do these things. So as a result, right now Pika is one of the smaller platform. But just because you're bigger, that doesn't mean you're better too, right? Things like Hicksfield has a lot of promotion, a lot of aggressive strategy, but they're known as a scam. Like Hicksfield will shut people down after they bought into an annual subscription, and Pika, you never get these kind of controversy where they shut you down or anything like that. So Pika is relatively controversy free, and then they're more or less just a regular AI platform does. Yeah, there's not a lot of problem with them on that end. Maybe I'll redo these scenes up with another month or something down the road. I don't know. But right now I'm content just to leave it as this. And since I can't use the clips anywhere else, I'll just attach them to this to the end of this video review here. Yeah. So you also have a good idea or kind of maybe you can get out of it. I really like this one. Yeah. So that's it. It's just a small review here for Pika. They released 2.5 and it looks awesome. It looks fun. I might check it out. Yeah. All right. That's it.
Dale chiquitita, dame más. Qué bonita tú te quieres controlar. Me gusta salir ese así.
3, 2, 1. Down.